I'm Nicolas Abivin from Chantiers Atlantic, and I'm in charge of the development of the solid sail technology. I'm very happy, obviously, very proud also, because it was really a big challenge with all the members of our team. So we worked with different size companies. I can just list them. So there is AVEL Robotics, very small companies, maybe only 10% today. LORIMA, MULTIPLAST, who already won a JEC award a few years ago. CDK Technology, SMM, and also HEXCEL, our fibers and resin provider, and Bureau VERITAS, our classification society. So we took the challenge a bit more than 2 years ago to say, okay, we are going to build this huge mast from scratch, design it, having it approved by the classification society, both on design part and process part, and then fabricate it and test it. So we are in the last pathway. So we are now entering in our second year of test. And you saw on the videos, the mast is just huge. You can see it from 20 miles away. First of all, I think that many people know us because we are one of the major shipbuilders in the cruising industry, but we are not really well known at all in the composite world. So I think that most of the people from the composite industry will know us. No, just be creative and trust in your technology and push everything, and then the doors will get open.